Alright, so in the previous two videos, we've talked about metric units of length and customary units of length. Now we're going to talk about trying to convert from different units of length, the customary and the metric side. So let's kind of go through and review real quick. So you know that a foot is 12 inches, 1 yard is 3 feet, or 36 inches. You know that a mile is 5,280 feet, or 1,760 yards. Now, when we talk about the metric side, we know that a centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. A meter is equal to 100 centimeters. A meter is equal to 1,000, or a meter is equal to 1,000 millimeters. And a kilometer is equal to 1,000 meters. So now let's talk about trying to convert first with customary units of measure. So you remember our little mnemonic that if we're going from a big measurement to a small measurement, we multiply. And if we're going from a small measurement to a big measurement, we divide. So a foot is a big measurement and an inch is a smaller measurement. So if we're going from big to small, we multiply times 12, because remember that a foot is equal to 12 inches. Again, yards are bigger than feet, so big to small, multiply times 3. And you remember, miles are bigger than yards, so big to small, multiply times 1,760. Now, on the flip-flop, small to big, inches are smaller than feet. So small to big, you divide by 12. Feet to yards, small to big, you divide by 3. And then yards to miles, small to big, you divide by 1,760. So big to small, multiply. Small to big, you divide. So now let's do the same thing here. This time we're going to be talking about metric units of length. Again, we're going to be doing the same thing. So if we're going from meters to centimeters, remember this is big to small. Big to small, you're going to multiply times 100. Then from kilometers to meters, big to small, you multiply times 1,000. On the opposite end, if we're going from centimeters to meters, small to big, you divide by 100. In the same case, meters to kilometers, small to big, you divide by 1,000. And that is the end of our lesson on converting customary and metric units of length.